My dear classmates, schoolmates, friends, mentors, and parents, good evening. Today is the day.
Tomorrow is tomorrow.
Faithful. My dear classmates, schoolmates, friends, mentors, and parents, good evening. Today is the day that we have ever dreamed to walk down that aisle as graduates of this institution as the Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Chong,
In my 4 years of being enrolled here in this
one
institution,
minute.
I have encountered all the problems and sacrifices in life. Problems such as financial problems, problems with the grades, love problems. But despite all of those, after all the